Hello everyone. Thanks again for joining today's session. We believe in knowledge will only grow if you share it. So on this note, let's see what we have today. So in our Active Directory interview questions, say part 2, we asked one question and many of the folks asked us to give a brief description of the answer, not just the answer, with say the brief description of each and everything what was displayed in the answer. So let us discuss that particular question now. Now the question was, what are the properties or attributes of Active Directory replication? So what are the properties or attributes of Active Directory replication? This was the question asked, and the answer which was provided in that video was, so it's a multi-master replication, pool replication, it's store and forward replication, and it's a state-based replication. So many of the folks said that that's okay, but we want say some more information on each and every point over here. So let us discuss all the 4 points, say in brief. So attributes of Active Directory replication. So the first attribute is it's multi-master replication. So what do you mean by this? So in the world of Windows NT, there was a concept of primary domain controller and backup domain controller. So there was a concept of master slave. But in the world of Active Directory, every domain controller has a read-write copy of Active Directory database. So multi-master replication ensures that each domain controller can receive updates for objects for which it is authoritative. So there is a writable copy of Active Directory database on every domain controller. So that's the reason it's called as a multi-master. And this provides fault tolerance within Active Directory environment. So if even say there are 2 domain controllers, if even one goes down, there won't be, say, impact won't be that high. So the second attribute is Active Directory replication is always pull replication. So what do you mean by this? So first of all, we'll understand what is pull replication. So let's say we have a target domain controller where a change happens. So this target domain controller will only notify the partners. So partners will pull the replication. So the source domain controller will never push the changes. Rather, the target domain controllers or the partner domain controllers will pull it. So pull replication ensures that domain controllers say request objects changes instead of changes being pushed. So that will help in say unnecessary replication traffic. And definitely pull replication slightly reduces replication traffic between the domain controllers. So the next attribute of Active Directory replication is Active Directory replication is always store and forward in nature. So store and forward replication ensures that every domain controller communicates with a subset of domain controllers to transfer the object changes that have occurred. So it will store and then it will forward it. So with store and forward, every domain controller will communicate with every other domain controller, which is inefficient. And store and forward replication balances the replication load amongst the domain controllers, within an Active Directory environment. And the last attribute of Active Directory replication is it's a state-based replication. Means state-based replication ensures that each domain controller tracks the state of replication updates, which eliminates conflicts and unnecessary replication. So whatever data is notified, it will first check the status of that replication, and if it's already there, it will ignore it. So at the end, it will eliminate conflicts and unnecessary replications. So let's summarize what we have seen today. So we have seen all the 4 attributes of Active Directory replication in brief. That is, it's a multi-master replication, it's always a pull replication, store and forward replication, and it's state-based replication. So in the Active Directory playlist which we have on the channel, there are 3 videos explicitly on Active Directory replication in detail. So I will highly recommend you to watch those videos. So thank you for joining today, and if you feel this channel is helping you to learn anything new, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. It motivates us to create new and better content. And enjoy your day.